If it's smoking, it could be a number of things. Gas, cooling, could be a number of things.
What you doing, taking a picture?
Taking a picture and the video. Dodge Magnum. What year? I'm thinking I'm gonna have to try to talk him up out of it. But he don't wanna come up off of it.
2021.
There ain't no damn 2021. It's 06 or something.
06?
Somewhere around there.
07.
07. A V6. It's not even a V8 Hemi. It's just a V6, but yeah. He caught it for 9. I told him I get home. I give you 12 for it. I told him I give him 12 for it. Hood needs some work.
Everything needs some work.
Yeah.
Took the windshield wipe. Took the speaker out that motherfucker.
What speaker?
The radio, the speaker.
Oh, the radio? Of course. Yeah, it needs some work though, a good detail. Yeah, so 1200, man. I cough up 1200.
I bet you will.
I find.
You use your rent money for this motherfucker.
I find 12. Shit. A V6.
Hey, how you
Then try to get some credit to go buy a damn engine, do an engine swap.
I like that money collar right there too.
Oh yeah.
You see it?